Hey, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Here at the stern, she's powered by a 115 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine. You'll notice padded cushions here, comfortable seating on both the port and starboard side, along with 2 rod holders on each side. Here in the back, you also have a boarding ladder with stainless steel rails to help you get up on into the boat. Here you have your helm bench, along with storage underneath. Your helm includes your gauges, switches, compass, throttle, and additional cup holders. Here you notice some room for some tackle storage, along with additional storage on the inside of the console. Here, more rod holders, right with your cooler seat, backrest, very comfortable. And up at the bow here, you'll notice a large sun pad area, which can very nicely be tucked away, give you access to all that storage space underneath. Again, this is the 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. For any questions, any additional information, please feel free to reach out to us at MarineMax Boston here at Quincy and Bay Point Marina, or up in Danvers. Thank you.